What's up, everyone? Morning. How are you guys? Tech ripping for the down. Should we close three again, right? So, depending where you are, how far it expiration, if you are down significantly, like 20, 30%, probably it's going to be hard, right? But if you are within like 5%, 6%, even 10%, you can actually get in. So, it depends, like, what's your strikes and whatnot, but always have a plan, right? So when do you buy? Just don't buy cause like, oh, everything is going up, right? CB, so you're gonna buy, right? Like right at support, you buy it, right? If it break below the support, you get out. Simple. Don't complicate it. What are you looking into medium short terms wise? I'll kind of go over all those things, kind of go over everything's what I'm seeing. Where do I see? But yeah, I'm gonna look into a lot of the tickers. Uh, I see snow, like snow right here, but right at support. Whenever a snow came in this area, it has been bounce back. But if it doesn't bounce there, I think we are probably going to 50s and eventually 34. So if it holds, we're probably gonna bounce off. We are right at support, like 160. Well, we are below, like we are at 160. Oh wow. So 160, we are at 160. I think we probably gonna go down to like this levels, like 150s looks like. Okay, yeah, tech definitely not looking good, but let's start with the SPY, right? Yeah, SPY. I kind of posted this channel. See this upward channel. We're kind of like struggling right here. We kind of rejected, then green day, but we really could not pass it. Rejected. That's when I was like mostly cash. I still have some position, but mostly small positions, right? And finally, it's kind of so. I mean, till we get this, like if we last times we even kind of touched the 50 day, till we get this, we are still in an uptrend. We can even literally bounce off from like this 80s, right? We are 84, pretty near, I guess. So yesterday 86. So yeah, 81, 82. If you bounce back, that's good. We may actually go to this support like 75, but below 75 definitely, like that would be probably major sell signals. But you got to be cautious right now. We were really, pullback happens and it's just like obvious, right? You need a pullback to go higher, and rotations happens time to time again. I don't know, they are just more. Oh wow, that's loud. Okay, I'm gonna look into do you see crash coming after the bounce? There's no crash. We are like barely down 2%, 3%. I mean, like, what are you guys talking about? I mean, if you think this is crash, you have not seen anything, right? This is like nothing. I mean, you should be like, you should have seen the March lows when we are hitting like 10% down, 20% down. Also, we are 47. So if you have not subscribed, don't forget to like and subscribe. Click that bell button, and also like this, comment. Just helps my videos to reach to more peoples. Follow me on Twitter for a lot of the other alerts and TikTok as well. So QQQ. As I said, right, SPY, we are in the top of the channels and it was struggling to break out. I mean, kind of it was really needed pullback. We can be in like 80, 82, which is we are almost there and still in the uptrend, right? Kind of bounce back. We'll see how that. And QQQ. Okay, QQQ has been rising like again. Let's draw some trend line in QQQ, right? So I think we have some support around 319, which kind of broke it, but looks like we are kind of reaching that 50 days, right? So we're gonna see whether we bounce off 50 days or we go below. This is 50 day. If we go below, we can test 100 days. Then next stop probably gonna be 100 day. So 100 day will be like way below 300. So we can actually go to 300s too if it doesn't bounce. But if you look at that, 319, we are 317, we kind of breach. I see some support right around 315. Let's see if it holds. Doesn't look that great for tech today, but if it doesn't hold, in terms of if you draw a trend line, depending how we draw, like from this, we are kind of mostly breaking this trend line too, so definitely kind of, but I think the next would be 50-day, probably gonna breach today. So next will be 100 days, so definitely not gonna go call, right? You wanna go call on the when it's uptrend, right? Maybe you buy here and put your stop loss. A lot of people were asking me like, should I stop, should I hold, right? You need to have a plan. Just don't enter cause like, oh, everybody entering market is green, so it's going up and up. That's what happens, right? You enter right here, it went down, and like there's nothing like where you're gonna stop, where's your stop and everything's right. Let's say this is an uptrend, right? What you do, look into the trend, right? Whenever the stock has bounced in this, it has bounced off, right? It found support as a trend line, right? You got in here 87, boom, doesn't matter where you sell, you're profitable. Again, you see, like again, it's an area, so you can even buy it this area too. But here, bounce up perfectly at 312, boom, 339 right here. But we are below that, right? So if you got in, like let's say if you got in yesterday hoping for a bounce or something, it's out. So maybe you need to have a stop right around here. So not, definitely not going. So a little bit below the trend line. So but if we do this one, still uptrend, I guess. We can even go to 3 or 2. So yeah, I see like maybe 300 absolute minimum. I don't see like anything below 300 cause not much has changed, but market is open. Let's see what we have. Oh wow, man, I may actually add some T-Doc, like pretty good price. A lot of people wanted to add T-Doc at the top, so I mean if you are long term, this is a great. Ooh, shit. Oh wow. Wow. This is absolute, like crowd is like, I gotta look into my crowd is absolute. So wow, BA is pretty up. That's good. Uh, VXX is not actually like going that much down. So mostly it's Facebook. Oh wow, Facebook is pretty strong. Yeah, nice bounce for a crowd though. Okay, that's really nice bounce of crowd. Oh wow. I think we are kind of recovering. It was 40, so that was okay. Same pattern. So it's holding this support, right? If you got in when I said it should be up a little bit, but lot of, so this is good. This is opportunities, guys. Like again, if you're trying to buy at all-time high, this is really good opportunity to kind of add to your tickers. So okay, what do you think? Spy puts anyone? What about drafting? Spot killed my account. I have more shares, mostly everyday profits. So should I sell or stock? Wait for the market. Well, Akhil, I think like I wouldn't. I would actually add on these. Like the thing is, like when you sell it, there's so many things. Like if you have shares, no need to worry about it, right? If you sell, then you come back. It's just like you don't know when to come back. You will think, and you're probably gonna miss it. If you have shares, no need to worry about. Again, make sure you don't have those shares like SOS or like SNDLs and GME and whatnot, right? You are in the reputed company, right? So okay, okay. I was looking some charts and I found Microsoft pretty good actually. I was kind of looking, yeah, this one, okay, it already bounced up, but I was kind of thinking of buying right around here. So how's Tesla doing? Oh wow. Tesla has been like brutal. It has been selling like anything. Oh wow. Oh wow. This is absolute sell off today. The thing was like most of the tickers were already down significantly. Okay, docu below 52 days. I may actually get some. Yeah, no, that's a good idea. Like if you're down significantly, just take like salvage, right? You don't want to get it like slaughtered, go all the way to zero. Yeah, yeah. Sometimes like when you are trying to get bottom, like that's why it's just like bad idea. So trying to find the, but let's see what everybody is talking about. What's going on? Oh wow, Disney is up. That's weird. Did was there any news for Disney? Disney is up significantly. Oh wow. Oh wow. That's a sign of really strong in there. I think Tesla is kind of going for 100 days. So okay, this is barely down. This thing's like it's pretty strong, man. With this sell off too, look at that. The sell volume yesterday was not that huge. People don't want to sell it. This is, I think once it comes back, I think it's gonna go like you probably noticed like it was gapping up. Now it's still like well, that's a really good strength, good science. In terms of percentage, it does looks huge, but if you look at like it has been like rising up. It did gap down, but pretty strong. Oh wow, T-Dog is 237. Okay, I may actually add it if it goes to 234. Earnings usually this it sells off on earnings, so that's the only thing. But man, if it wasn't warning earnings, I would have added it. Pins looks pretty strong. Zoom below 50 days, not gonna buy. Probably gonna test this. Oh wow, Fiverr is getting cheaper. If it goes to 100 days, I'm definitely gonna go Fiverr. This bounce so good. Roku below 397. Doku is getting a my buy point like 220, 222. It's always a buy, so I'm definitely gonna add Doku. Keep and watch on Doku. If you're long term, it really doesn't matter. You can still add it. I think Doku is a great business. They are doing good. So yeah, crowd is basically struggling in 202, 207, and whatnot. Square is finally 242, right where it broke out. So if it bounces off, it's a good. If it bounces down, kind of bad. They have an earning tomorrow, I think. Okay, yes, see, that's the other one I'm watching. Yes, see, okay, this is barely moving. It did gap down, but it's pretty strong right here. I think we are right at maybe 50 day. Okay, Facebook pretty strong today. Not much on the downside. Google strong too. So basically, what's happening is the companies were making a lot of money. So Facebook, they are profitable, they are pretty strong. But the companies which are not making much money, they are pretty weak. Oh wow, Fastly is $68. Wow, wow. Oh wow. Okay, I'm watching Fastly. I may add some Fastly. Just a second. I got. I may actually add some Fastly shares or something. Okay. So what's going on? Street garbage. Does this really happen every 4 years? Oh, not 4 years. It happens every couple of years. I mean, this is nothing, right? Like this is just the 10. I mean, tech stocks. Think about it. Like Tesla. Oh wow, Tesla is down 12%. Jesus Christ. Damn. Mostly tech is getting slaughtered. Did you look at Tesla? Oh man, that was to the point. Like literally, wow. 50 day. I think we are at like 100 day. Oh wow, Tesla is right at 100 day. Oh wow. Oh wow. T Dog is 235. Where are we with SPY? Tesla would have been like golden, but oh, SPI is right at the channel. So this will act as a support. So not really put right now. I mean, if you got in right around, that's good. But right now, it's just like it's already there. So if it breaks below, that would be good. Put that in my opinion. But yeah, no, not good risk reward right now. Okay, Fastly is kind of getting some strength right now. I think I may actually get some Fastly. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, okay, okay. It's kind of finding support around 70. Where is our darling Tesla? Wow, that was a big bounce for Tesla. Tesla found us perfect support at like 100 days. I think the whole bit BTC is pretty down as well. I may actually get some. Oh wow, Tesla literally bounced out nicely from that 619 level. Perfectly bounced actually, pretty quick. So if you got that bounce call, good luck. Buying Apple call 2300 calls and selling 140. That's 2400. Apple is it? That's not bad. But the thing is, like, you're making like your risk reward is not much. Again, I think it's pretty good. If you ask me, it's not that bad. I mean, you can always sell it, but uh, you're risking 2400 to make 3500. So your risk reward. So at least have like 1 is to 100%, right? So, but it's not bad. I mean, you're probably gonna make some money, I think, but that's not bad. But yeah. Oh wow, Tesla literally that was a okay. Tesla got bought up at 619. That's a good sign actually. How was Neo doing? Did Neo kind of drop too? Oh wow, Neo also went to wow. So it did went to 41 and got bought up pretty quick. Okay, how is AMD doing? Okay, 81. So AMD is still down. Kind of coming up. I think Unity was a good buy. So if I actually told in Twitter, oh wow, so Unity did win to nine. Oh wow, if somebody got that one, he picked up. Oh wow, it's a almost green from open, still down, but so I think this is a reversal sign for Unity. Okay, okay. Let's see what's going on. So a lot of the lost are kind of made. Wow. T-Dog. If you added T-Dog, I was talking about it, like, good for you. Okay. So things are coming back up. Okay, crowd is 10, that's good. Oh, it did. Oh, wow. That was pretty quick. Hmm. That support held it pretty good. Okay. Put on went from, what was that, 111 to 120 almost. Oh, wow. Snow coming up. Okay. Oh, wow. Wow. Look at Tesla. It bounced up perfectly from 100 days, then literally what it opened and significantly up. Man, I should have loaded 100 days. Yeah, the market was so unpredictable. So there was a news kind of Powell just said like there's not gonna be kind of everything looks okay. That's what he said. Everybody was panicking cause like people's gonna be rate interest or whatnot, and that's what happened. But he says calm down, everything is fine. So that's why kind of bouncing. Everything is looking good so far. Okay, okay. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. What's going on? Well, I think equity is down for a lot of reason. I think like mostly like it was like how the Powell gonna say. One thing is everything needs to be kind of pulled. Everything was up for so much, right? It was really extended, so needed a pullback. That's all. One thing is we needed a pullback. When it's needed a pullback, it just needs any excuse. Remember, like when the stock was running up, like it doesn't matter. You had the good earnings, bad earnings. Basically, like you can have basically any good data, right? The employment was bad, and stock would not care. But when it needs to just go down, it will, like, number could be slightly off and it will just do dramatically. That's all. And the other thing was basically Powell, like, rate increase, so how the inflation and whatnot. So that was kind of big. So that's why we kind of got the bounce back. But yeah, that's it for now. If you have any question, let me know. Comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you guys